class. Today we're looking at English studies. We're looking at Concord, agreement between subject and verb. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Now, Concord means to make the number of your subject and verb to agree. To make the number of your subject and verb to agree. So if you have more than one subject, your verb should indicate that you are talking about more than one subject. Now note that singular verb ends with S, while plural verb does not end with S. Now the first rule of Concord is this, that a singular subject takes singular verb. Even from this we can understand that this takes is a singular verb. Now singular subject takes singular verb. For example, Ade eats a lot every night. Ade eats a lot every night. Because of this S at the end of it, we can say that we are talking about a singular subject, which is Ade. Now the second example says, she lives in Lagos. Not she lives in Lagos. She lives in Lagos, which is talking about the fact that we have one singular subject. Now rule 2 says, when two singular subjects are conjoined by and, it takes plural verb. Now this is trying to tell us that if we have two singular subjects conjoined by and, they are no longer singular subject. It is now a plural subject. So Ade and Mercy becomes more than one person. So Ade and Mercy, that's plural subject, go to school every day. It is not possible for us again to say goes to school every day because we have more than one subject. If it is only Ade, then we can say Ade goes to school every day or Mercy goes to school every day. But now we have Ade and Mercy, so it has to be go to school every day. Now the third rule is that when two singular subjects are preceded by indefinite pronouns, the verb is singular. Now you can ask, what are indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns are pronouns like one, nobody, somebody, either, each, none, etc. Now, example, every boy and girl was asked to come to school with cutlery. Every is talking about the fact that we have indefinite pronoun. We don't know the number of boys and the number of girls. So it is indefinite. So we have to use was. Using were here would be grammatically incorrect because we can't say every boy and girl were asked to come to school with cutlery. It has to be was because every is an indefinite pronoun. Now the second example says, none of the drivers is here. Now don't let this confuse you. Because we have the word drivers here, does not mean that we should use the word are. So it shouldn't be none of the drivers are here. It should be none of the drivers is here. Because of the first one we have here, which is none. And none is an indefinite pronoun. So, why don't you give me an example of rule 1, rule 2, and rule 3. And then write it under the comment section. And then we'll take a look at other rules